Hello, dear students. I welcome you all in Be Happy and Always Smile classes by Nitika ma'am. As we all know that we are studying chapter respiration in plant. Today we will study with this next topic that is glycolysis. Its another name is EMP pathway. Oh my God, why ma'am this EMP pathway name is given to glycolysis? Do this glycolysis is not good name? It is good name bacho, but when any person they do any work, they do an experiment, they want their name to be there with that particular experiment. So in the same way, EMP, okay, these are the first alphabet of three scientists who worked over glycolysis. Okay, so that is why this cycle is also known as EMP pathway. So student, first of all, what is this EMP pathway? What happen in this? In this student, there is partial oxidation. Oxidation in simple word, I can say it is a breakdown of your glucose molecule, okay, which has been formed in your photosynthesis to release two molecules of pyruvic acid in the absence of oxygen. Okay, glycolysis is that cycle which do not need any oxygen. Okay, so it is an aerobic respiration. Now the question arises, ma'am, where it occur? Okay, we all know that we are formed of cells. Cell contains cytoplasm. So glycolysis occur in the cytoplasm of all living cell. Clear? After that, as I have told you that EMP, okay, these are the first alphabet of the three scientists who worked over glycolysis. So these are Ambedon, Meyerhoff and Parnas. As you can see, students, see here EMP. Okay, and in anaerobes it is the only process of respiration. Those organisms which do not require oxygen for their respiration, there only glycolysis occur. Okay, whereas in case of your aerobes, there are different type of cycles occur. Okay, one cycle is Krebs cycle is there. We will study about it with the passage of time. So student, what happened here? In plant, glucose is derived from sucrose. Sucrose is the end product of the photosynthesis, or it can be stored in the form of starch. After that, what happens? Sucrose is converted into glucose and fructose with the help of enzyme invertase. Okay, and what are these glucose and fructose? These are monosaccharide. What does it mean? It means that they are formed of only one carbohydrate. Okay, sucrose is disaccharide. It is formed of two molecules of sugar, whereas when it will be attacked by the invertase, it will break down into glucose and fructose. After that, this glucose and fructose, these will be phosphorylated. Okay, we will add phosphate to it and it will become glucose 6 phosphate with the help of enzyme hexokinase. Okay, after that it will be isomerized to form fructose 6 phosphate. Okay, and similarly, subsequent step of metabolism is for glucose as well as fructose. Okay, glucose is also and fructose is also. After that, you have to remember that the process of glycolysis occur in 10 steps. Okay, and the ATP is utilized in first and third steps. Okay, where glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate at that time, and second, when fructose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6 diphosphate, at that time we use the energy. Okay, after that we will form the energy. In second step, okay, a fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, it will split into DAP and PGAL. Okay, PGAL or DHAP. This PGAL is oxidized and with inorganic phosphate it will convert into BPGA. What is the full form of BPGA? It is 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. And during this, what happened? Two hydrogen atoms are removed from PgAl and then transferred to the NAD positive, which form NADH plus H positive. Okay, next student, this BPGA, it will become 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, and it will release energy. This energy is trapped by the formation of ATP. After that, what happened? ATP is also formed from your phosphoenol pyruvate, that is PEP, and then it will convert into pyruvic acid, which is the end product of our Glycolysis. In glycolysis, student, what happens? Four ATP molecules, they are directly synthesized from one glucose molecule, and pyruvic acid is the key product of your glycolysis. Okay, one glucose molecule will give how many pyruvic acid? Two pyruvic acid. And after that, we will start with Krebs cycle in case of your aerobic organism. Okay, this is the different steps in one, or I can say at a glance they have given. Okay, see how glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. In first and third step, your ATP has been used. Okay, and after that your ATP would be formed. Okay, 4 ATP would be formed. Clear? Understood? So that's all from my side. I hope so that you have understood. But if still there is any query, student, do call me. I'm available for you 24/7. That's all from my side. Okay, take care. You all are important to us. Okay, thank you so much.